Now, this penalty and tariff will injure India's GDP. The Indian corporate side seems to take back its threads from the Modi, leaving him alone, and will pressurize him to negotiate with the US. Since the recent 4 days of limited war in between India and Pakistan, US President Donald Trump is praising Pakistan in different spheres, including the proven war ability of Pakistan. This is not actually praising Pakistan, but it is to make India jealous of Pakistan, which actually means to bring India under pressure and blackmail. Basically, India has a policy to play on both sides, with the US on one side and with Russia and China on the other side. After China, India is the second bigger importer of Iranian oil. It is not liked by the US. Therefore, water was boiling since a time in the brain of Trump, and he has said what he thinks better for the US. Now, what are the options for India? 1. To keep itself aside a bit away from the US and sit closer with Russia and China means being a real founder member of BRICS. 2. To sit with the US like a good chap and negotiate. The second option will be better for corporate India. It means the emerging national capital and corporate sector will get benefits. However, it will block the way of India to play a double game. The recent statement of Trump is to explore oil in Pakistan and hypothetical presumption that the exploration may make Pakistan able to export oil to India,